That was a crazy morning, okay? That is usually what my mornings look like. I might not record any more of that because a lot is going on. Anyway, good morning. I am gonna get ready for work now to be physically in the office. Also this week, I have a few things going on. I'm getting ready for a long weekend with the kids to Canada. I'm really excited to do that. As with all trips, appointment Olympics. I have to do my eyebrows, I have to do my lashes, I have to do my nails, I have to do my hair, and I have to pack. All before Friday afternoon. Agora que no vamos. Girl, I don't even know. It's Monday already and I have no idea. I'm gonna try to take you with me to work, but that's gonna be difficult. My work days are like a lot, so I'll try. I gotta go. We'll see you at what time of the day I'm gonna see you. Let's go. I made it in. It is 9:45, but I have other things to do, so I have to go. I'll see you after work. I'm at an appointment. Work day. What the fuck was that? I'm now rushing to my nail appointment. I typically have my appointments on the weekend, but we have to squeeze it in when we can. Brought a change of clothes, but I didn't have time to change into them. Sometimes I do when I have these appointments, but not today. For lunch, I had a small bag of Ruffles. Is it Ruffles? I don't really eat those chips too much, but a bag of chips. And it was the most delicious bag of chips. I need both of my hands. I have this orangey color, which is cute. I'm kind of over it a little bit. There are some days that I love it, and then there are some days that I'm like, I can't wait to go back to my French. And I might do that today. So let's see what I do. I'm gonna try to film in there, but me da vergüenza. I didn't bring my wallet. You know, I'm like 45 minutes away from my house. I can probably Apple Pay her or something.
Anything else?
Yeah, can I do that with extra dressing? Yeah. Thank you so much. We're ordering out because it's just that kind of day. Let me show you my nail friends. These are the nails. My next appointment isn't going to be until tomorrow. I have to do my eyebrows. I don't have an appointment for that, but welcome to Rhode Island, home of the crazy drivers. I also have bad road rage. That might be it for tonight. I'm in a mood, nonetheless. Reconozco el estado. O sea, I'm like ready for bed. 1, 2, I had the roughest of days again. 3, I was supposed to do my eyebrows today. Pero con qué energía? Dime. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow. This is why I don't film during the week. My job is so demanding, and that's not a flex. I'm going to bed porque I'm getting a migraine, and it's hot. It's hot as fuck. I'm in Rhode Island. We're having like a little baby heat wave. I'm not mad at it. I'm mad I can't enjoy it. Today is Tuesday. Estoy cansada. It's like 7:45. I look insane. It's because I'm going to bed. I'm gonna try again tomorrow, but I'll see you after work. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. It is Wednesday. I just got out of work. It is 5 o'clock. I got a lot done at work, so I feel really good. It is like the second day in a row that is like 90 degrees. I'm in love with this weather. I think I'm gonna go for a walk and I'm gonna take you with me. Pardon my dog. My dog is being crazy. Let's change, go for that walk, and then I have to do my eyebrows. This is the pile of laundry that I have to fold. I'll be doing that probably tonight before bed. Tengo cosas que hacer. I'm a busy woman. This is a really good lift, huh? Don't mind the mess, girl. Do I go to the gym? No. Do I like to buy cute workout sets? This material is like actual butter. It's not see-through. I think that's my favorite part about it. I hate the see-through legging. Given cheap. The real question is, am I gonna get a camel toe? I just want to show you. I'm not gonna put it on. This girl is 90 degrees outside. Mira qué chulería. It's too cute. These running sneakers are so good. Do you wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Who's a good boy? Look who came with me. Wow, that's nice. I'm glad you challenged yourself. Just got back, 6 o'clock. Went out for about 45 minutes, and now I'm getting dinner started. Yes, and I'm just hoping that like my eyebrow lady's gonna be open after I'm done. Aquí no hay arroz. Vamos a hacer un conconcito. I love to eat raw rice since I was a little girl. My kid likes with rice with salami and a little salad. No judgment. He's a Dominican American, so. Examen de las cejas. Cejas. Cejas or cejas? Bitch, I don't know. Listen, I speak English and Spanish. The rice needs about like 20 minutes to be done, so I'm just gonna put the salami in here for now. Let's go take a quick shower. Okay, I finished dinner. I'm gonna try to go make it to my eyebrow lady. I know she closes at 7, it's like 6:15. I'm like 30 minutes away from there. I don't even know where my purse is. Hello? She took me, which is great. They're closing in 5 minutes now. These are my red brows. They're so red. My eyebrows, they grow every 10 days. I'm gonna go home and finish my day. I might film, I might not. Lashes and toes tomorrow. It is Thursday already. My hair is engrasado. I just got in from work, and the last time I got a pedicure was like a month ago. Como siempre, no miren mi reguero. Gracias. The night and day difference of the weather right now is crazy, but I'm wearing a cardigan, some jeans, and flip-flops. Welcome to New England. I'm also gonna get a pedicure, so I just feel better wearing open-toe shoes when I first get a pedicure. Déjame darme una tuneadita. Not that serious. Vamos. Siento que te quiero, aunque no se puede ver. I put some on this morning before work, pero I like fresh perfume cuando yo salgo de la casa. I typically go to a nail bar where it's just easy to walk in for my pedicure. For my nails, I'm a little bit more picky and I make my appointment. This plaza is always a hot mess. Y a mí tanto que me gusta venir aquí because I have a TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby. There's a Home Depot. My boyfriend likes that one. Sephora, Starbucks. Pero always a hot mess. It's because we have a market basket here too. Look at this day. Compared to yesterday, it's like, what is this? Aquí hay un parquecito. Y nos fuimos por aquí. Vamos. Do you guys have time for a job? Pink again. Let's go kill some time at my BFF's house. Hi, my love. This is how I'm greeted. I love this. Am I the only one that has a hot ass mess in their car? I'm just a girl.
Pretty. I think it would be like if I did like 6, like right here.
Yeah.
Like if I did 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
And like we'll do 11 on the end.
Okay.
That will keep it nice and tight. It will look pretty.
Love. Which I love. I love these. What do you think? Oh my god. I did not see that. And then I'm going to bed. Porque ya son las 7:30. Y es basically de noche. I mean, the sun is still out, but basically. Se preguntarán, ¿y dónde está tu familia? En el día de hoy, un día de semana, y yo andando por ahí. Ellos están en la casa. Yo soy muy agradecida con mi pareja because he helps, you know. He cooks, he cleans. He cooked tonight. So I'm gonna go have dinner. Hey, Dio. Fine, I'll put on my seatbelt. Over the place. That looks really good. Thank you.
On the side, or have you?
That was bomb.com. Señoras y señores, bienvenidos al party. It's Friday. Nos vamos mañana en la mañana. The flight is at 8 a.m. It is 7 p.m. I haven't packed. I have a hair mask in. I'm on a time crunch. I wanted to go to Sephora, but I don't think I'm gonna have time. I don't need anything. I just wanted some things. So, fine. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I'm going from Saturday to Monday. That's just a long weekend. But I have to check a bag because I need a lot of things. Vamos al mambo. I'm packing. Mira ese reguero. OMG. Y mira la hora que es. Our flight leaves in 12 hours. Do you ever try things on before a trip, like what you're gonna take? We're going to Canada. The weather's like rainy, coldish. 60s. I'm not very good. I'm like good with winter and I'm good with summer. Anything else is like, what if it's like 60 but it feels colder, or what if it's 60 but it feels warmer? Yo puedo pensarla. Tengo una 12 horas, señores. Bueno, I'm gonna keep trying on clothes. No miren el reguero. Yo misma no me aguanto. Just gonna take it with me. Porque son las 8 de la noche y yo no he hecho nada. How many just in case outfits do you pack? I pack like 1 to 2, but how many do you pack generally? Yo tengo la mano. I still have my suitcase. Clothes that I bought from Mexico that are now gonna be my summer clothes.
We don't have it up.
It's a rain hat. It's definitely gonna protect me. Oh my god, this is so cute! This is adorable. I'm gonna have my hair blow dried and so I put a rain hat. finished packing and just off camera, and I packed for my son, and now I'm getting this hair done. Son las 11 de la noche y yo aquí. You all ready? Let's do this. Yo, I tried. I just finished my hair. It is midnight, and I just learned that the airport we're taking is not Warwick and is Boston. So I have to wake up earlier. I am going to bed. I'm done packing, finished my hair. I'll be using all of this stuff in the morning. Use it in the morning and then I'll pack it. Thank you for coming along on my crazy week of packing, work, and trying to be a good friend. This is what a typical week looks like. This week was a little bit more busy, and the next coming weeks are going to be more busy at work, but I'm just glad that I have a nice long weekend. I'm going to leave it here. Stay tuned. I'm going to take you with me to Canada. Good night.